Mas ibig sabihin mo lang. Mas, hindi ka lang
Baho! Budadak! Oo, budadak! Budadak!
So si JB, puro na po. Shoutout nga pala dyan sa nanay ko, nanonood. Search ko natin dyan sa Potental. Ako yung shoutout ako. Sino pa shoutout dyan, libre ako. Ano man ito?
About sa interest ngayon. The rules are specific and the purpose also is specific. It is an exception rather to the hearsay rule. If there are no other points or questions to be raised by the other judges, attorney, you have 2 minutes, sir. Yes, of course, sir.
Kanina ko nabanggit kanina, sinabi na meron pong ba sa panahon ni Siguro Watigat na nag-imbestigahan niyo po ang 150 million.
Hindi ako may hawak mo, Your Honor. Hindi ako sa hindi ko ang unit ang
Hindi po ba pero ano po nangyari na dismiss nila?
alam ko na dismiss yata, sir.
Nagsagawa din po ba sila ng masusing investigasyon?
Hindi ko po masasagot, hindi ako nag-imbestiga.
Wala po kayong nabalitaan kung gumawa din sila ng masusing investigasyon.
Again, Your Honor, kung ibang unit po nagsagawa, wala po akong personal knowledge.
Opo. Kasi po doon malinaw na mayroong involved na pera. Kasi alam niyo, matagal din po ako nakulong. 3 taon din po ako sa kulungan. Marami po ako nakasama dyan na mga hired killers. Katunayan, pati po hindi hired killers. Nakasama ko din po dyan. Sila si Hanky. Katunayan, excuse po, aking seatmate. Madami po talaga. Pag-usapin po kasi ng pera, talagang may threat. Pero sa tingin po ba nyo, yung mga nangyari noong November 23, birthday ko pa po yun. Sa tingin nyo po ba, walang involved na kahit anong pera dito, o anong kahit anong, threat pa rin po ba yun sa palagay ninyo? Kasi ang hired killer, pera-pera po yan.
Based on our findings, great threats, Your Honor, inciting constitution.
Meron po ba inciting? Okay, maganda pong pag-usapan yan. Doon po ba, pagkatapos po ba noong November 23, na mga sinabi ng ating Vice Presidente, meron po bang ginawa ang ating mga taong bayan para maging inciting?
Your Honor, ulitin ko po yung sagot ko. Hindi kasi people versus law. Hindi ko necessary.
Pakisagot na lang po kung yes o no, kung meron po bang naganap na pagkilos ang mga tao.
Insofar as yung Seditious Act, wala kaming nakita, sir.
Wala po, opo. Meron pa pong isang tanong. Doon po ba sa mga naganap na maraming protesta, mayroong failure march, may kung ano-anong march, nakita niyo po ba doon ang Vice Presidente? Yes o no lang po.
Saan pong protesta?
Sa lahat po ng protesta na naganap, Tilawan, Tinglawan, Duterte, ano man po.
But wala akong personal knowledge, sir.
Yes or no lang po, nakita niyo po ba doon? Si Vice Presidente, nagsalita po ba siya? Bigay po ba siya ng panahon dyan sa mga yan?
So far as I'm concerned, wala akong nakita, sir.
Wala po nakita. Ilan po, maraming salamat.
Senator Judge Rita, Senator Judge JV, at yung ibang nagtanong sa admission against interest, you stated this already, but just for the record, you viewed the whole video, right? The whole
The
thing.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, one, some beses, sir.
Isang beses lang.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how many times then has the Vice President made admissions against your interest?
Ito, sir. November 26.
November 23, ayaw ng defense gamitin contracted, so yung kinausap is also an admission against our interest, di ba?
Hindi, sir. Ang sinasabi ko po, admissions against interest. Yung November 26 video po, sir.
Na sinasabi niya totoo yun at hindi
Yes, yes.
admissions against interest.
So far as I'm concerned,
Siguro, para malinaw, in your mind, as a lawyer, as an FBI agent, what is an admission against interest?
yung
Sinabi
Sinabi
sa admission.
sinabi ng isang tao na ikakasira niya, but then instead of denying na sinabi niya yun, inadmit pa niya ito, nireiterate
Okay,
niya.
very clear yun. And said that the basis of the investigation is the November 23 video, the basis sa inyong affidavit of investigations.
As well as the November, as well as the
As well as other evidence. Okay. Sa November 23, ilan ang admission niya against interest?
Ang sinasabi ko pong admission against interest,
This is a new question. This is a new question. If you evaluated well the November 23 video,
Putang ina mo, ayok.
is there any circumstance in that video
Sablay
that
talaga
you
naman.
believe that the Vice
Kaya
President
nag-miss ba?
made
No.
admissions
Kaya
against her interest?
Ako to?
plain po yung
Kapag-uligay?
utterances doon,
Sablay daw?
yung nakita lang mo namin, yung utterances niya, so far as I'm concerned, yung admission against interest nangyari noong November 26.
Mr. Witness, sagutin mo lang ako. Lahat ng admissions are utterances.
Yes, sir.
Okay, admissions is verbal. Diba? Hindi ito yung parang admission sa court. Pwede mo i-admit yung documentary evidence, pwede yung object evidence, pwede yung statements. When we talk about admissions against interest, especially in context of what we're talking about, may statement na laban sa interest niya.
Yes, sir.
So tinatanong ko dun sa buong video, meron ka ba? Yes o no lang, meron ka ba? Kayo na rin.
Ang understanding ko, sir, nung sinabi ko yan, referring to November 26.
Mr. Witness, ulit tayo.
Yes, sir.
Burahin mo na yung pinag-usapan natin you're referring to. I'm asking you a direct question. Sa November 23, meron kung wala bang admissions against interest?
Ang tinutukoy ko lang po again, Your Honor, yun.
No, I don't care.
Wala po yung
I'm sorry. I don't care, Mr. Presiding Officer, kung ano tinutukoy mo. I'm asking you a direct question. November 23, video. Meron kung wala siyang admissions against her interest doon? Attorney Lotog, yes, no, I do not know, I do not remember. I'm referring to November 23, not 26.
Yeah, I don't know, sir.
Kayo yung
Eh
tatlo.
guys, hearing match. Hearing match po tayo.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes.
Yes, para sabi mo ito nila. Ayun, yes. O, ano pa? Sabi mo yun na, when the Vice President said, yung pinamigay sa DepEd, isn't that an admission against her interest kung may pinamigay?
Siya po yung namigay. Sir,
Ikaw ang nanood ng video, ako pa magsasabi sa'yo kung ano naman ng video. Kala ko ba, tinignan na ng mabuti ang video. Bakit hindi mo alam yung naman ng video?
Boss,
EDSW, ano yun? Sir, pwede ko pong tingnan yung sinasabi.
No, so you do not know what the alaman ng video.
Again, tinignan ko po ang video one time.
Siguro sa interest ng maging presidente. Pero ang sinabi niya, what?
I think so, sir.
Okay. So I mentioned 3. So my next question. When you have an admission against interest, do you take the whole admission or you can cut it up into parts?
lima ako.
Again, Your Honor, yung
If my admission against interest is one subplat o yung cyber aspect?
no, Your Honor.
No, diretsong tanong. Hindi, no. Anong mas mabigat? It's a direct question. If you were NBI director now or whatever, you were PNP chief, dalawang
this witness
investigahan mo,
from-
cyber aspect, mapatay ang presidente. Kindly wind up, Senator. Yes, I'm winding up. The point I want to make, Mr. President, is whether I was the PSC, the Executive Secretary, NBI, or an ordinary citizen, my first concern is wag mapatay ang presidente.
Yes, sir.
But instead of the NBI director taking it upon himself, giving it to the anti-terrorist or to the intelligence, sa cybercrime binigay.
Your Honor, again, uulitin ko, yung utterances was made through
Yeah,
information and
so
communication
I-
technology. Kaya may
I hope if
jurisdiction
any one of my colleagues here become president, magbago yung attitude ng NBI. Mas importante pala cyber kaso sa buhay ng presidente.
Not necessarily, Your
Thank you,
Honor.
Mr. President.
Noted, counsel for respondent is recognized for his recross, if any.
So during your testimony, you mentioned that an unsigned document is a mere scrap of paper.
Yes, Your Honor.
But you also said on redirect that the lack of signature is a typographical error.
No, yung typographical error based sa tanong sa akin kanina ng abogado, yung misspelling, yung mali yung docket number, kung mali man yun. Yun, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, you mentioned on the record also about the November 26, 2024 press con, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
So after that press con, did you interview VP Sara?
No, sir.
And despite not having interviewed her, you made findings on her mental state.
Aya, savings, loans, cards.
Not having interviewed her, you made findings on her mental state.
No findings ng mental state, sir? What do you mean by that?
My question is, despite not having the chance to interview Sara, nevertheless, you included in your investigation findings about her mental state.
Based on the series of defense, Your Honor, as I have said, state of mind can be shown by